Hi, it's Trisha, CEO of Girl Friday. Today I'm presenting Grow Your Business with Us, a presentation made because we conducted a survey on small businesses and the figure is damning. The survey was on small businesses support received in the UK. Grow your business with us. The problem with the SME support and the self-employed. The Cat Got the Cream online workshop solves the problem identified with small businesses in the UK. We send the wrong message to its customer. The problem identified. The problem identified is that the article need a broader understanding of the historical context and social climate. More businesses are closing down than starting up for the first time in over a decade, with transport and storage firms being worse hit in the UK per Office of National Statistics. The figure is damning amid the cost of living and the current recession the UK facing. Reveal that closures hit 345,000 last year, meaning that 11.8% of all active businesses shut in 2012. That is an increase from 11.2% in 2021 and the highest since 2019, namely the financial crisis when rates were also at 11.8%. This is a damning statistic and something needs to be done about it. Businesses in the UK, small businesses mainly, should receive more specialized support from expert services such as our services at Girl Fridays. The needful nucleus advancement that the Cat Got the Cream workshop and the core asset plus the seller a winner combination provide is the changes needed to dismantle the false pretenses proposed disincentive for working and investment for self-employed and SME. Current system present to help you start up a business the right way or grow your existing struggling business if you are in your three or more. We done a case study, SME case study. The objective, SME have a problem with the support provision received from mentors and coaches. The thinking felt is that SME are supposed to know everything and are expected to demonstrate that they can make a profit or a sum of money per month over £17,500 in year two of starting without receiving any support. I experienced the latter disincentive for working and investment for self-employed individual firsthand. When my award-winning government-accredited online business Girl Friday Limited was affected by the cost of living economic residue of COVID-19, causing me to add fund to our cash flow forecast and write to the DWP for a tendering contract to survive the crisis. I am a supplier of services registered onto the flexible support fund dynamic. The hypocrisy of the societal system applies support toward the SME market is outdated, and changes need to be made to dismantle the false pretenses the proposed system presents. For example, there is no heuristic support offered to business owners through workshops, mainly masterclasses and webinars. There is only one unique heuristic business support mentoring learning method based on the learning pyramid of the 60s proposed by Girl Friday Limited in London. The solution proposed rebuild product image and branding, provide peer to peer influence and PR, powerful word of mouth advertising and social media marketing, including online presence. The core asset plus the seller, a winner combination, heuristic learning approach, two ways access, independent heuristic learning through our website, or supported heuristic learning through the Cat Got the Cream hybrid online workshop provision. Proposed solution for SMEs by Girl Fridays Limited, Trisha Amable, CEO of Girl Fridays. Business development and research support for ongoing business. Specialist support for different sectors such as digital marketing, marketing and competitor analysis, networking with like-minded individuals, enhancing their client base, membership or of pertinent trade body. This support is offered by the Cat Got the Cream and our website. Proposed solution for SMEs continue. Designing and building a website, business card and flyer design, business advice for new business, advice on the legal aspect of self-employment, meaningful one-to-one consultation with prospect and customer, marketing and competitor analysis, social media marketing, self-assessment tax return guidance, keeping accurate record of income. This support service is offered by the Cat Got the Cream and our website. Benefit of the latter. General and specialized consultation offer. Currently, there is no provision offered to the UK SMEs. The Cat Got the Cream propose a solution to the problem identified, and we have offered the above solution since 2007 to work with our customer and provide the support identified that the SME needs. innovative strategy and tactic for business growth. The core asset plus the seller, a winner combination, is offered to the small businesses attending the Cat Got the Cream support provision for 18 months. The independent SME will benefit from this support too, as Girl Friday Limited provides support to startup business and existing businesses struggling to achieve sale, and the Cat Got the Cream exclusive support full capacity is up to 40 referees only, accessible on completion of a referral form and readiness challenge. The Cat Got the Cream provide a unique heuristic expertise approach that other providers do not offer to SMEs. Our services: weekly Zoom meeting, monthly meeting, monthly networking for the first 3 months. 3 months weekly incubation pathway with a dedicated staff member and completion of task offer with the referee. After the 3 months incubation pathway to business growth, a monthly support service is offered using various methods of support. Networking offer the referee to meet up and get to know each other's business. We at Girl Friday Limited, the Cat Got the Cream, offer you subcontractor services. Register your interest to refer yourself to the Cat Got the Cream SME owner if you like our solution presented to you. http://girlfriday.com/register your interest. SME should apply this principle to their customer. The Sales Star principle designed by Girl Friday Limited Trisha Amabor, based on our experience of customer acquisition and retention. Be a star and acquire your customer and sustainability in your business with the Sales Star principle. Be a star. Ascertain the situation, detail the background, provide a context: who, what, where, when, and how. Determine the task. Describe the challenges and expectation, what need doing and why. Act. Take action. Elaborate your specific action, what you can do, how are you going to do it, and what tool do you need to use to accomplish the job at hand. Result. Explain the result expected to your customer. They will be pleased with you and assure that you get the result that you explain. Explain the result, the outcome, expected recognition, saving quantity and quality of your product and services. Hopefully, you enjoy this presentation. Bye for now.